Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel. We will discuss the topic CDP Treasure Data. CDP for marketing. Attract customer, build a relationship, or optimize quickly. In this ever-changing marketing landscape of the critical to have a solution that can adapt and grow with you. Tracer Data customer platform of marketing is flexible and future purpose giving you everything you need to connect data point, explore complex customer journey. This kind for angle enable you have create a personalized experience that performance and optimize your stage with comprehensive cross channel insight. Tracer data help you continue with conversion across the channel and brand touch point for top of the mind positive complaints on customer intel in management and their needed with relevant connect every step of the way. Give each customer a personalized experience. Too popular belief people do not dislike marketing, they dislike invisibly in message that get in their way to anti-mote is mote continue experience across all channels to delight your customer most presentational flag because it not relevant the happen share the necessary data so the an actionable single customer view that helps step of the personal in every company's channel and business unit with the tracer data customer data platform for the marketing you do not have to quickly and continue. You and your customer can have it all. Future performs your marketing stage. With each the interaction, your customer leave this and even opening declare with the interaction with the tracer data customer data platform of the marketing you can collect with the customer data platform and all the data stores including offline and data to build a complete picture you can pick up on the most of the and decode them create experience that recover correct recommended future purchase or direct customer to the right channel for the right message. Our machine learning and data science are the keep of the scaling for the billion of the interaction and delivery personalized experience to meet each customer need. Our technological power can scale to millions across my channel. Every marketer now has a struggler to create a person experiences across social, email, digital, and investing and offline channel with the tracer data customer platform marketing. You can every bit of customer data across every for the more correct suggestment. They active your suggestment with one click across the channel of the your choice for with our journey solution that automatically move your customer toward converse platform. Build a winning growth with a solid foundation. Whenever your customer go to the digital world, they care connect for social media to mail, click thought, online research or customer support. When brand provide a continuous experience, customer stick around but failing to connect to board can cost your their business trace data making it's simple to translate million of data point into a advanced customer journey. So can you make a better decision, build customer trust and growth? One platform simplify everything with the flexible and scales to connect any data volume any event to any stores with on the step up grown privacy access and used for multiply brand and regions in the simple smart platform. One view. Everything you now has can predict about the customer at scale with the AI profiles in each customer better with you ads brand and in the person team. One experience with the customer with the connection with the tax optimize and personality conversation with marketing customer service and skills and united around a simple approach to trust your customer. This topic is and thanks for watching video and subscribe my YouTube channel.